Do you want to know how to classify and categorize the sounds you heard? Watch this video until the end. Keep on watching to learn something. This is your teacher She, and welcome back to my channel. Before you proceed, please don't forget to hit the subscribe button, okay? Learning to classify or categorize sounds heard is an important skill. It helps us identify and distinguish the sounds heard in the environment. Knowing how sounds are produced will help us determine and produce the sounds of the letters of the English alphabet. There are different kinds of sounds around us. Let us classify them. First, the wild animal sounds. This is a sound of an elephant. This is the sound of a monkey. This is the sound of a lion. This is the sound of a frog. And now, let us proceed to the farm animal sounds. This is the sound of a cat. This is the sound of a duck. This is the sound of a pig. This is the sound of a dog. Now, kids, let's proceed to the transportation sounds. This is the sound of a helicopter. This is the sound of an airplane. This is the sound of a fire truck. This is the sound of an ambulance. Now, kids, let's proceed to the sound from an object. This is the sound of a whistle. This is the sound of an electric fan. This is the sound of a telephone. This is the sound of a digital alarm clock. Now, kids, let's proceed to the musical instrument sound. This is the sound of a drum. This is the sound of a guitar. This is the sound of a piano. This is the sound of a tambourine. And now, kids, let's proceed to the sound from the environment. This is the sound of a thunder. This is the sound of an ocean. This is the sound of a rain. And that is the different classification of sounds. And now, kids, let us try what have you learned. Try to answer this. Put a cross if the sound is made by an animal and check if the sound is made by a thing. Comment your answer in the comment box. And here are your activity. Kids, you can pause this video for you to answer the following items. And here are the correct answer. Did you get a perfect score? Very good. Thanks for learning with me. Subscribe to my channel for more educational videos. God bless us all. Bye!